Kevin Clancy with Clancy Real Estate, your local real estate expert. Thanks for joining me today. Hopefully, I will save you time and money whether you're buying or selling a home in the Albany real estate market. As always, if you're thinking about purchasing a home, click the link on the right side of this page. You can search all homes just like I do as a real estate broker. If you're thinking about selling, want to know what your home's worth in this absolutely great market, click the link on the right side of this page and I will tell you your home value instantly. I just want to start by saying thank you to everyone that donated to my daughter St. Baldrick's fundraiser for children with cancer. She shaved her head on March 20th. It was a great turnout. I want to say a special thanks to our client, Mr. John Murata. I actually showed up at my office with a donation for my daughter and showed up at the event to give an additional donation to my daughter. So thank you. That money's going straight to childhood cancer research and has a huge impact. I appreciate it. My daughter appreciates it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Today I just want to talk about market is doing great, but I want to talk about why you hire a real estate agent. And I thought of a story the other day about how the cards are just absolutely stacked against the little guy. You hear about in the elections, but my car is an Acura. My check engine light came on. New York State, the car dealers had New York State pass legislation that we need to meet California emission standards right now. That required me to buy a new catalytic converter that I can only buy through the dealer. The dealer cost was $1,600 for something my mechanic told me was not malfunctioning, but was simply setting off my sensor in my car. So long story short, you want to be in the know, right? And you hire a real estate agent to save you time and money. And I just happened to be meeting with a client that was an Acura mechanic. And he just happened to mention to me that I could buy an $8 part and install it and it would solve my problem. And I found it hard to believe when 3 dealers had told me I needed to spend $1,600. But the dealers are the ones that passed the legislation that made us match California emission standards and buy the parts through the dealers. Long story short, I bought the part on Amazon. I had it installed by my mechanic. It cost me about $40. I had the part from Amazon in 3 days, and it saved me $1,600. And that's why you hire us in real estate, because we know the shortcuts to save you time and money like that, and we watch out for you as a little guy. Today, I'm sitting in my office. It's a Saturday, and I sent one simple text on behalf of a client, and I saved my client $18,000. I can't tell you what the magic text was, but if you're interested, call me up and I'll tell you exactly what happened. But I saved my client $18,000. That's a substantial sum of money no matter who you are. So that's what we do at Clancy Real Estate. My team loves saving our clients money. We love finding people the greatest house. We love selling clients homes with multiple offers. And we know the tricks. 26 years in the business. We learn every single day. But we have a book of shortcuts and tricks that we use to sell homes and help buyers find better deals. And I shouldn't say tricks. They're not tricks. They're things that we've learned that are effective over the years. I'm Kevin Clancy. I appreciate your business. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for your relationship with us. And if we can ever help you with anything outside of real estate, you want to borrow my bounce house, you want to borrow my popcorn machine, whatever it is, give me a call. My cell is 461-9937. Have an absolutely awesome week. Appreciate you guys.